Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning. How are you all? Fine? Yes.
I'm doing
Okay. People are keeping well. They are safe at home. And children, we are going to complete today 3.1 numbers. Yes. In numbers, chapter numbers, what all things we learned? Arjun, can you give me the answer? Which all or what topics we have studied in 3.1?
Expanding form.
Not clear, Arjun.
Expanded form.
Standard form, yes. Standard form.
Value.
Place value.
Value.
It's not that much audible. Adira, can you say? In chapter 3.1 numbers, we discussed
Expanded form.
expanded form,
Place value.
place value, face value. Yes, number name of 5-digit numbers. Yes, number name. Okay, so we have discussed already number name, place value, face value, and expanded form. So, Mayasa, what is face value?
Face value of a number is the number itself.
Number itself, face value will not change. Okay, Vaishnav, place value? Place value?
Yes, ma'am.
The
number is place the digit. Each digit gets the place value.
The value of the place. Okay, each digit gets the value of the place that it occupies. Understood? Each digit will get the place, value of the place that it occupies. Okay, standard form, children. Expanded form means what? We had to write the number as the sum of the place values of the digits. Okay, sum of the place values of the digits. And only one question we have done this money addition also is there. So children, please take out all of you page number 21. 21. Okay. Question number 20B. Okay. Why Asher? Okay, 1 minute. The styles, I think the teacher.
Ma'am.
The teacher has taken the styles. Okay. So page number 20. Yes.
Did you send the notes of question number 20?
Question number 20.
No.
No, because we have not completed and I have not completed that in other classes also. So, what questions we are discussing that we will send. Okay, so page number 21. Page number 21. Question number 20B. Okay, 20B.
B.
Okay, now Sweden. Can you read 20B? Sweden.
Ma'am.
Yes, question number 20. We have the second one, B.
Calculate the total amount of money if you have 5 notes of 100.
5 notes of 100.
5 notes of 100. 1 note of 2000. 1 note of 50. 50.
And 3 notes of 10. Okay. So children, what we had to do? We had to find out the total. Okay. So let's write together. 5 notes. Okay. So question number B. We'll start from here. 5.
We write it.
We have to write now. 5 notes. And the calculate the total amount you have to find alone.
Should we write the first one? A.
1 minute. If you say together, who is all speaking here now? Yes. Who has the doubt? Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Ma'am, your video.
What? My video is off?
Video is off.
No, my video is okay now. Okay, there is no problem. I think you and Maria, you have the network. Then, is there any other doubt?
Ma'am, should we write the A1, the first one?
First one we have done in the last class. You have not written.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you can do with question number B. That space you can leave, and after the class you can try a lot. Same model, okay? Question number A is also same like question number B. So 5 notes of rupees 100. What is that? 5 into 100. Tell me the answer.
500.
5 rupees 500 we have.
Ma'am, we want to write this.
Yes. Next, what we have? 1 note of rupees 2000. 1 note of rupees 2000. So 1 into 2000. What's the answer? Rupees
2000.
2000 itself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We have space at the same line. Can we continue?
Same line you can write.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Otherwise, you will not be able to complete all the answer, no? 1 note of rupees 50. 1 note of rupees 50. So 50 into 1 or 1 into 50. Rupees 50. Okay, then 3 notes of rupees 10. 3 notes of rupees 10.
30.
30. 3 into 10, 30. Find out the total amount, children. Rupees 30. Total amount. Add all these amount and find out the total. Total amount. $500 plus 2000 plus 50 plus 30. Do alone, okay? Rupees dash. See, children, when you are adding, please line up. I know you have studied addition and all. So what you have to do? Line up properly. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong.
Ma'am,
Ah.
I got the answer.
Okay. Wait. 1 minute. Okay, let everyone do alone.
Good morning, ma'am. I only joined now.
You join now?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we do the addition in rough book?
Yes, addition in the rough book. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Joyrek, did you get the answer?
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Wait. Let me see how many got answer. Can you raise your hand? What about these children whose videos are off? Yes. Achut, Srenga, Aris, Adidev, MB. All of you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let me see. Achut, can you give me the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ah.
2,580.
Very good. Okay, so children, here when you add 0, then 5 plus 3, 8, 5, 2.
Should we
Okay.
like
So children,
add it?
whether you
What
got this
we
answer,
do?
all of you?
Yes, ma'am, I got.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
Arush,
got
can you read the number again? Can you read the number again?
2,580.
Yes, 2,580. So this is rupees. So we had to place that symbol also in front of the number. So Dhananjay, did you get the answer?
No, ma'am.
Why? Not completed? Do it faster. 2,580.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
Same answer. Okay.
ma'am,
Now, next. Okay, see, children, I hope all of you got this answer. Now we are going to do question number 21. Adidev, MB.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read question number 21?
Write the face value and the place value of the two digits underlined in the number.
Hmm.
Find the difference and the sum of the place values.
Okay. So, children, all of you have completed, no, children? Yes? Question number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, question number 21, children, we have how many digits underlined? 2 digits underlined. What we have to do? We have to find the face value of these. Yes, Niran?
I didn't have any space to write the question number B of 20.
B, try
Question
to
20.
adjust somewhere. Okay, right below also that line also. You can write 2 sentences in 1 line or right below that. Okay, before after that line also you can write somewhere. Okay, so children, here we had to find the face value, place value of there are 2 digits underlined. Then what we had to do? Find the difference. What do you mean by difference? What we had to do to find the difference? To find the difference means what? What we had to do?
P1 plus.
Subtract. Okay, we have to subtract. Okay, find the sum. Find the sum means what we have to do? Add. Okay, so you have to add and subtract the place values. Okay, so we'll write together, children, question number 21. Same page, page 21, question number 21. Why these videos are off again? Some children. Alex. Asad. Which are the digits underlined? Can you give me the numbers? Yes, Asad. Which are the digits underlined?
5,
5 and
7.
7. Okay, so children, write the face values and the place values of these underlined digits. So face value of 5, you have to do alone, all of you. Don't say the answer louder now. Face value of, which are the digits underlined? First one, face value of 5. Then you have to write face value of 7. See, here also, children, you have to write face value of 5, face value of 7, place value of 5, place value of 7. Then you have to do sum and difference. So according to that, you have to arrange, allot the space. So you can write these 2 lines in 1 line, no problem. Okay. Srijit, can you give me value of 5? Srenga?
Ma'am?
Value of 5? Face value of 5?
Face value of 5 is 5 itself.
5 itself. Very good. Okay. Arush, Face value of 7.
Face value of 7 is equal to 7 itself.
Very good. 7. Okay. Now children, next what you have to do? Write the place value of these digits. Again, place value of place value of 5 and place value of 7. I will write the number here on the side. No need to write this number. It is there in your book. 54726. 726. And the underlined digits are 5 and 7. So here we have ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Do alone, okay?
Ma'am, we want to
Number,
draw
then write the
place
place
value
value
chart.
and face value. Yes?
Ma'am, we want to draw the place value chart.
No need to draw. Okay. You can write on the side or you can look at the number. It is given in the question and it is the underlined digits also there. Yes,
I finished.
Niran,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the place value of 5?
Place value of 5 is 50,000.
Very good. 5 is in 10,000's place. So the answer is 50,000. Okay, 50,000. Hazel Joby, place value of 7.
700.
700. Very good. Now then what we have to do? Look here. Look at the question again. Find the difference and the sum of the place values. Don't get confused. We no need to use face value. The question is find the difference and the sum of the place values. So you can write next step, sum of the place values. Sum of the
Ma'am, there is no place to write this.
Yes, ma'am. And there's no place.
And there is place.
I told you clearly face value, you can write 5 and 7 in the same line. Place value of 5 and 7 in the same line. Write the sum in one sentence and difference. So when we started, I told you this, yeah? Sum of the place values. Sum of the place values. So children, what we have here, place value of 5, place value of 7. These two we have to add 50,000 plus 700. Find out the value. Find out the answer.
And we want to add 50,000 and 700.
Huh?
We want to add 50,000.
Yes, yes. Sum of the place values means what? 50,000. We had to add with the place value 700. Add. Sum means what? The answer in the addition problem. I answer. So find out the answer. Line up properly and find out. Ain Maria? Can you give an answer?
Ma'am, I didn't finish writing.
Not completed. Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, Catherine have completed.
Okay, Catherine. I'll give you 1 more minute. Let everyone complete. Okay. All of you has to complete. Do alone.
Ma'am, should we subtract or add?
What?
This
Sum of the place values means what? Sum means what?
subtract.
Answer in the addition. And can you see here? What is this symbol? Can you see the board?
Add.
Add. Okay. It is written on the boards. Add. Plus. That is sum.
I finished.
Yes, Catherine, give me the answer.
Ma'am, I have finished.
Yes.
Ma'am, Arisha's finished.
Tell me the answer.
50,700.
Okay. So here 7 plus 0, 7, 0, 5. Okay, Achut, can you read the number? Answer?
Ma'am, 50,700.
50,700. Very good. 50,700. 50,700. So this is the answer for the addition. So this is the sum of the place values. Sum of the place values. Advaita, next what we have to do? We have done sum. Now what we have to find out? Next, look at the question. Look at the question and tell me what we have to do the next.
Find the difference and
Difference. Okay, find the difference. Okay, to find the difference means you have to subtract. Very good. Okay, now children write the step. Next step. Difference of the place values. Difference of the place values. Difference of the place values. So again, place value only we have to consider 50,000 minus 700. 50,000 minus 700. Okay, now children, you have to find the difference. See, you have to use, no, you know how to do with subtract with borrow. So here 50,000 minus 700. All of you has to do this alone.
my feet. Ma'am,
Yes.
there is no place to subtract.
Not clear. Someone is talking, but I
There is no place for subtract. She said.
subtract the children. You can do this. You can do the calculation, everything in the rough book. Okay. Calculation, everything in the rough book. We can do.
Ma'am, I finished.
Yes, Mayas, I can see that. I can see that. You have to use borrow. Yes.
Ma'am, I finished.
Finished. Okay. Those who finished, please wait. Let everyone do to alone. After that, we will discuss. So children, here we know 7 is greater than 0. So what we have to do, you have to borrow. From where you will start? Here it is 4. You have given 1 here. So this 0 becomes 10. And from this 10, you have to give again here. So this 10 becomes 9. Okay. Now you can subtract. Joyrik, did you get the answer?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No.
No. Complete.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, Adira, we will do this subtraction together. 0 minus 0?
0.
0. Again, 0 minus 0?
0.
0. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7.
10 minus
3.
3. 10 minus 7 is 3. Now we have here only 9 after
9.
borrow. And here 4 we have to write here same. So the answer is what? 49,000.
And 300.
49,300.
49,000.
Okay, so children, you can see whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay, so what's the answer? 49,300.
Ma'am, the next question is same one.
Okay. We have one more question. So children, here the answer is 49,300. Okay. So children, Completed. Now question number 22 is also the same. Okay, now yes, Jan, I can see that. Okay.
3.
I will call one by one. No need to speak in between. Okay, so children, question number 21 we have completed. Question number 22 is the same like that. Okay, Catherine, can you read question number 22?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Write the face values and place values of the 2 digits which are underlined in the given numbers. Find the difference between their place values.
Okay, so what's question number A?
A. 90275.
90275. What are the digits underlined?
9 and 7.
9 and
7.
7. Okay, so 9 and 7. These digits are underlined. So what we have to find out here, write the face value and place value.
Value.
Underlined digit. Okay. So first what we have to find out, face value of 9. Okay, don't say the answer. You can write alone. After that we will discuss. Face value of 9, then face value of 7. You have to write the face value and place value of the underlined digit. Face value of 7. So children, this is page number 22, question number 22. Page 22, workbook, question number 22. Okay, Vedika, can you give me the face value of 9?
9 itself.
9 itself. We know face value of a number is the number itself. Very good. Okay.
Number itself.
Okay, Janvi, face value of 7.
Ma'am,
Ah,
7 itself.
7 itself. Very good. Next, what we have to write? Place value and place value of these same digits. Place value of 9, face value of 7. Place value of 7. Do alone, all of you. So here before writing, you can see ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So what is the place value of 9 and 7? Niharika, can you give me the place value of 9?
90,000.
Ah, yes, 9 is in which place? 10,000. So the answer is 90,000. Children, please check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay, 90,000. Next, who is going to tell me? Advaita.
700, ma'am.
I'm asking Advaita. Place value of 7. Advaita Sanish? Huh? 70. Yes, because 7 is in which place? Tens place. 7 is in tens place. So the answer is 70. All of you got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, Catherine, what we have to find out? Read the question again.
Write the face values and place values of the 2 digits which are underlined in the given numbers. Find the difference between their place values.
Find the difference. So what we have to do?
Subtract.
Subtract the place values. Okay. So here, children, what is the place values of 9 and what is the place value of 7? What do we have to do? We have to
Subtract.
subtract. Yes. So write and do alone. Difference equal to difference of place values. Difference of place value. Difference of the place value. Do alone. We have 90,000 minus 70. Children, you can do these calculations in your rough book. Here, there is no place. We have to write one more question. After A, children, you have to do B like homework. As homework, we had to do question number B. So you have to give space for question number B also. So do the calculations in your rough book.
I'm finished.
Those who finish, please wait. I want all of you to do alone. After that, we will discuss the answer. So children, you know, you had to use borrow here. Don't say the answer. Completed?
No, ma'am.
No? How many of you completed? Raise your hand. Okay. Many of you have completed. Wait. We will give time. Yes, Ringa, what's the answer?
Ma'am, I completed.
8930.
89,930. Very good. Okay. So here we have 0 minus 0 here. Then 10 minus 7, 3. Then we have here 9. Then 9, 8, 9. Okay. So what's the answer, children? 89,930. 89,930.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Question B we should do as homework.
Yes, question number B, the same, no? What's the number? 62,741. You have to find the face value, place value, and difference.
Difference.
Okay, children, you can complete that. 89,930.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, now it's the time to wind up the class. I will quickly take out your attendance. Okay, question number B, what we have to do? We have to do the face value, place value of the number 62,741. So which are the digits underlined, Sri Rugda? Look question number B and tell me the digits underlined.
2 and 4.
2 and 4. So same, what we have to do, find the face value, place value, and find the difference. Okay, so children, it's timed, it's 10:30. I'll take quickly the attendance.
ma'am.
Okay.